there's two things that Justin Trudeau can do right now that would help people and alleviate some of the pressures that people are feeling. First off, we need to get everyone in this country vaccinated. So we need the federal government to play a more active role in the actual vaccination. We need an all hands on deck approach. It's not enough to just sit on the sidelines. There has to be an active participation of the federal government in getting everyone vaccinated. Secondly, we know one of the most important tools to fighting the spread of COVID-19 is paid sick leave. And we've been calling for improving the current program offered. It is just not good enough. We've heard from experts we need to make paid sick leave better so that workers can no longer make the impossible choice of going into work sick or staying at home, not knowing if they'll have enough money at the end of the month to make their bills. We have to immediately improve paid sick leave. These are two things that can be done right away. On the question of leverage, the Liberal government wants an election. They've made it really clear. So whether our support for the actual budget is not probably a concern for the Liberals because they want an election. They want an excuse to go to an election. They've signaled that a bunch of different ways. But what we're going to channel is the frustration of people and the commitments they made to people. So I want to be the voice of the people that have been frustrated of decades of Liberals saying that they're going to bring in childcare and they're not. I want to remind them they've made this promise for decades, that people have been expecting this for decades. And right now, we're in a situation where women have been hard hit. They are frustrated. They are at their end, stretched so thin with having to care for kids, having to care for sick loved ones that are elderly. And on top of that, many have lost their jobs. Many can't find childcare. This is really important. And so I'm going to channel the frustration of people that I've met who want to see real investments in childcare. And I'm going to put it to the Prime Minister, to Justin Trudeau. You promised to do this. Where's the action? You promised it. Your party's promised it for decades. Been in power for decades, have not done it. Get it done.